Hey, Hyatt Ziva and Zilara fans. Today I want to take you on a quick tour of the Oceanview Junior Suite at the Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun Resort. I'm going to show you what the room looks like, what the amenities are, and what the view is. And it's pretty amazing, so let's go check it out. This is an Oceanview Junior Suite King bedroom. It's actually room 3401, so we'll show you what the view is. As you can see, it's pretty amazing through there, but let's take a look at the room. So this is a sliding door for the bathroom, so you can have privacy. And then you've got a two-person soaker tub hanger over there. This is a rainfall shower, massive. Toiletries, you do get body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, as well as actually the soap's really nice here. And then we've got the separate toilet area and dual vanity. And then for toiletries, again, you've got body lotion. What do we have? Mint mouthwash, shower cap, the cotton swabs, dental kit. Yeah. So, and then of course down below is a scale and hair dryer. And then we've got sort of three closet areas. This one's just got the iron and ironing board in it. And then lots of hangers here and a couple of cupboards down below, drawers, bathrobes, and then more storage and a safe. And then you have the refreshment center. The wine is provided at the beginning of the stay. It is not replenished. You've got coffee pods. And then in here we have, check out this mini bar. It's a pretty decent setup. Beers, sparkling water, and those are hard ciders. They are not available at any of the other bars, but they are replaced in your room daily. Have some snackage, big screen TV, and sitting area, a couple sitting areas. This also closes, I should point out, so you can have privacy if you like. And then you've got tons of USB outlets there, plugs. There's also one on the back of the clock radio, or in the front of the clock radio. There's two there. Really comfortable bed. And then more plug-ins on this side. Everything's sanitized when you come into the room. It's put in a plastic bag so you know it's been cleaned. And then this is the view. So you've got sort of a day bed there, sitting area here. So really fantastic view. I'm not sure where the door is. Let's take a quick poke outside. This is always fun. There we go. Mastered it in 48 easy seconds. Okay, and then lots and lots of pools here. Not a bad view at all. Turn around. We'll take one last look inside just to give you the reverse look, the reverse view. So there you go, Oceanview Junior Suite King. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider giving it a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And in the meantime, check out this video. This is a quick peek of the brand new Hyatt Ziva Riviera Maya Resort. It's going to be opening up sometime soon. We've got some renderings of the property to give you an idea of what it's going to look like. Pretty excited about this. It's going to be adults only, all-inclusive luxury, and definitely a property that you're going to want to check out. So enjoy.